Secure and simplify server access, using HashiCorp Vault for seamless SSH into EC2 instances. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Efficiently managing SSH keys across multiple servers can be daunting, especially as the number of servers and team members grows. HashiCorp Vault provides a robust solution to securely store and manage secrets, including SSH keys. This podcast walks you through the steps to set up HashiCorp Vault for seamless SSH access into your EC2 instances. Efficiently manage SSH keys across multiple servers. Managing SSH keys manually can lead to security risks and operational inefficiencies. With Vault, you can centrally manage and dynamically distribute SSH keys, ensuring only authorized users have access and reducing the risk of key compromise. Vault's dynamic secrets management capabilities allow you to generate SSH keys on demand, ensuring your infrastructure remains secure and compliant. Step 1. Setting up two EC2 instances. First, you'll need two EC2 instances, one for the Vault server and another to simulate a client accessing the Vault server for SSH credentials. Launch EC2 instances. Log in to the AWS Management Console. Navigate to EC2 Dashboard and click on Launch Instance. Select the Amazon Machine Image, AMI, for example, Amazon Linux 2. Choose an instance type, for example, T2.micro for testing. Configure instance details, add storage, and configure security groups to allow SSH access. Review and launch the instances. Connect to EC2 instances. Use SSH to connect to both instances. SSI/path/yourkey.pim EC2 user at your EC2 instance IP. Step 2. Installing the Vault server on EC2. Next, we'll install the Vault server on one of the EC2 instances. Install Vault. Update your package manager and install Vault. Sudo yum update y. Sudo yum install y yum utils. Sudo yum config manager add repo https://rpm.releases.hashicorp.com/amazon linux/hashicorp.repo. Sudo yum y install Vault. Verify installation. Check the Vault version to verify the installation. Vault version. Granting Vault user access to configuration files. To secure the Vault setup, create a dedicated user for Vault and grant the necessary permissions. Create Vault user. Sudo user-add system home/etc/vault.d shell/bin/false vault. Create configuration directory. Sudo mkdir parent/etc/vault.d. Sudo chown recursive vault/etc/vault.d. Assigning permissions for the Vault directory. Ensure that the Vault user has the appropriate permissions to the Vault directory. Set permissions. Sudo chown r vault/usr/local/bin/vault. Sudo chown r vault/etc/vault.d. Initializing the Vault server. Before starting the Vault server, we need to configure and initialize it. Create configuration file. Create a configuration file, /etc/vault.d/vault.hkel. Storage file. Path equals /etc/vault.d/data. Listener TCP. Address equals 0.0.0.0:8200. TLS_disable equals 1. UI equals true. 2. Start Vault server. Sudo Vault server config equals /etc/vault.d/vault.hkel. 3. Initialize Vault. Open another terminal and initialize the Vault server. Export Vault_address equals http://127.0.0.1 to 8200. Vault operator init. 4. Unseal Vault. Unseal the Vault with the keys provided during initialization. Vault operator unseal underscore key underscore 1 greater than. Vault operator unseal underscore key underscore 2 greater than. Vault operator unseal underscore key underscore 3 greater than. Setting the vault underscore address environment variable. Set the vault underscore address environment variable to communicate with the vault server. Set vault underscore address. Export vault underscore address equals http://127.0.0.1 to 8200. By following these steps, you've successfully set up HashiCorp Vault on an EC2 instance, initialized the server, and prepared it for managing SSH keys dynamically. This setup enhances security and efficiency, making SSH key management across multiple servers a breeze. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.